One of the things we'll look at in this course is how do you tell the story of your brand coherently and consistently across all of the touch points. And with touch points, I mean all of the interactions that a customer or consumer has with your brand. And then often we only think in terms of what we say as a brand, right? So our marketing and communication efforts. But it's also about what you do that is very important. Just think about it. When is the last time that you've seen an advertisement from Apple? It might be a while ago, right? But if I ask you about the experience that you have with an Apple, how you open up a product, right? You know, the anticipation when you open that box, or when you enter an Apple store, you know how that feels. And more importantly, if I ask 5 more people, everybody will know how that feels, and it will be consistently across different markets. So how do I actually create that coherent and consistent brand experience that gives me this defined feeling? This is what you will learn in the course.